Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Wahoo heart rate monitor. To begin, make sure your monitor has a working battery, typically a CR2032 coin cell. Next, lightly moisten the two electrode pads on the back of the strap with water or saliva. This simple step significantly improves the electrical contact and ensures accurate heart rate readings from the very first moment of your workout. For the most accurate heart rate data, proper placement is key. Wear the strap directly against your skin, just below your chest muscles. The sensor module, often with the Wahoo logo, should be centered on your sternum, facing forward. Make sure the strap is snug enough to prevent slipping during activity, but not so tight that it causes discomfort or restricts your breathing. A good fit ensures consistent contact and reliable readings throughout your exercise. Connecting your Wahoo monitor to your favorite fitness apps or devices is straightforward. First, ensure Bluetooth or ANT Plus is enabled on your smartphone, bike computer, or smartwatch. Then, open your app or device's sensor settings and search for new devices. Your Wahoo monitor should appear. Select it to pair. Once connected, you will typically see your live heart rate displayed, confirming a successful link and readiness for your workout. To ensure your Wahoo heart rate monitor lasts for many workouts, proper care is essential. After each use, detach the sensor pod and rinse the strap thoroughly with water to remove sweat and salts. Hang the strap to air dry completely before storing it to prevent odor and material degradation. The CR2032 coin cell battery typically lasts up to 12 months with regular use, so replace it annually or when readings become inconsistent.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.